Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to fix high ping in Roblox. So let's get started. First, if you have antivirus software running, try pausing or disabling it temporarily. Sometimes antivirus programs block connections and increase your ping. You can find the antivirus icon in your system tray, right-click it, and choose to pause or disable it. Each antivirus is different, so check how to do this for your program. Next, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete or searching for it. Look at the network column to see which applications are using your internet. Close any apps that are downloading or updating, as these can cause high ping. Another way to reduce ping is by using an Ethernet cable or moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. Wireless signals far from the router can cause delays. You can also try power line adapters that use your home's wiring to strengthen the connection. That wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.